Hey there, beautiful people. I hope you are having a good day. In this video, I will share the best fleet management softwares of 2025. I have categorized all the platforms in this list in different categories to make things easy for you. So, without further delay, let's get started. The first category we have is the cost effective solutions. And in this category, first off, we have the ClearPath GPS. This is a rather effective and efficient solution. So it has two plans, standard and pro. And you can get the standard plan for $20 per vehicle for each month, and pro plan for around $25 per month per vehicle. It has hardware that costs you around $75 per device. It's plug and play, and the contract is on month-to-month basis, so you have 30 days money back guarantee as well. If you talk about the features, the key features of this platform, it has real-time GPS tracking, um, with driver behavior monitoring and scorecards. It has geofencing with custom alerts. It has maintenance scheduling and reminders. It also has the mobile app for iOS and Android. It has AI powered dash cams with the Pro plan and the open API access for the Pro plan as well. If you talk about the pros of this platform, it has a transparent pricing, no long term contracts, it has a quick plug and play installation, it has a responsive customer support, and a mobile friendly dashboard. The cons, if we talk about that, it has a 30-second refresh rate, which is slower than its competitors. It has limited advanced analytics, and hardware is sold separately. So that's a cons as well. It is best for small business, which prioritize the affordability and has a fleet of around 1 to 50 vehicles. It is also good for companies that are seeking month-to-month flexibility in the contract. The second platform is the Simply Fleet. It is a budget friendly and maintenance focused platform. So the pricing is very clear and cut. Right here, we have the essential plan, $2 per vehicle per month, an advanced plan, $4 per vehicle per month. The hardware is cloud based and it integrates with the existing telematics. Here are all the solutions. It has fleet management, fleet maintenance, the compliance, and the equipment management. If we talk about the features, we have the fuel management and maintenance. We have issue management, reporting and data analysis, the parts inventory management, mileage log, work orders, vehicle inspection, vehicle and assets management, expense and cost management, and fleet integration. If you talk about the pros of this platform, it is extremely affordable. As you can see, it has a user-friendly interface and it doesn't have any limit on the vehicles or users. It is excellent for maintenance-focused operations. And if we talk about the cons of this platform, it has a limited real-time GPS tracking. It has basic route optimization and no native dashcam integration. This platform is good for small to medium fleet size and the business that already have a telematics. The next platform is Autosist, which is also the fourth winner in this category. If you look at the pricing, you have around $5 per asset um, per month, and you have some other plans here. So all in maintenance and GPS plus telematics, it is $27, and the maintenance package, GPS, telematics, and safety cameras for $54. The main feature, in my view, are the comprehensive maintenance tracking, the work order management, the fuel tracking, digital inspection, and the integration with the fuel card providers. If we talk about the pros, it has a 24/7 support, strong reporting capabilities, and it is suitable for all fleet sizes. If we talk about the cons, it doesn't have any GPS tracking in basic package. The annual billing required for best pricing, so you have to subscribe to the annual billing if you want to get the best price, and it has a limited road optimization. It is best for fleet managers who prioritize the maintenance and the businesses that seeks reliable platforms. The next platform is the Linxup. This platform has a pricing of around $50 per month. There's no definite pricing here, but based on my research, it is around $50, $15, sorry, per month. The hardware has multiple GPS device option, and the contract is flexible with volume pricing. If we talk about the key features, it has a real-time GPS tracking, automated maintenance reminders, driver behavior monitoring, ELD compliance with HOS tracking, and the fuel efficiency optimization. Talking about the pros, we have a user-friendly interface here. It has accurate GPS tracking, and it has over 170,000 trackers deployed. If you talk about the cons, it has a slow customer support compared to its competitors. It has an expensive, uh, plan relative to features, and there's no free trial for this platform. It is best for small to medium fleets that needs maintenance tools, and it is good for businesses that seek simple tracking solution. Now let's move forward to the second category of our fleet management solution, which are the feature-rich platforms. In this category, we have the Samsara, the first platform, and the software costs around $27 to $33 per vehicle per month. So right here we have the pricing. um, One of the best thing about this platform is that you can actually decide the number of vehicle and get a custom quote. Okay, so you can simply choose all the features that you need and easily get the pricing. So that's a pretty nice touch. If we talk about the key features, we have the real-time GPS tracking, we have AI-powered dash cams, we have ELD compliance, route optimization, and electric vehicle management tools as well. Talking about the pros of this platform, we have industry leading real time tracking, advanced AI feature. It has a 30-day trial for the platform, and you can get strong integration capabilities for this. If we talk about the cons, it has a expensive with mandatory 3-year contracts. It has a complex pricing structure and an overkill for small fleets if you have that. It is best for large fleets that needs comprehensive features and the business that prioritize safety and compliance. The next platform is the Verizon Connect, and it has a price around $23, although there is no specific pricing page here, as you can see. The hardware has a professional installation, which costs you around $150 transfer fees. The contract is 3-year minimum and 5 units minimum. The key feature of this platform is that it has a real-time GPS tracking, route optimization, field service management, and integration marketplace with 100 plus apps. If you talk about the pros, it is highly customizable, it has excellent scalability, and has a strong analytics. But if you talk about the cons, it has a complex setup, it has a minimum requirement of 5 units, and a potential setup fees. It is best for a growing business that need scalability and industry specific customization. The next platform is GeoTab, and GeoTab has custom quotes, so there is no specific pricing for this. The hardware has professional installation requirements, and the contract is 3 years minimum. If you talk about the key features of this platform, you have advanced vehicle telematics, you have comprehensive fuel management, especially the fuel management. This platform is really good. You have sustainability tools and 300 plus third party integration. That's another cool feature of this platform. If we talk about the pros, it has an industry leading fuel management analytics and system. It has extensive API capabilities and a very strong analytics. But if you talk about the cons, the pricing is a little high. There is no free trial, and the interface is a little complex. It is best for fleets that prioritize fuel management and the business that focus on sustainability. So if you are one of those people, you can definitely go for this platform. Next up, we have the Teletrac Nevman. The pricing of this platform starts around $25 per vehicle per month. I don't have specific information, but that's based on the research I have. The hardware has various devices. There's no upfront fees. The contract is from 12 months to 60 months. If you talk about the key features, it has AI powered IQ dashcam, second by second GPS tracking, smart jobs dispatching, and equipment users tracking. If you look at the pros of this platform, you have advanced AI camera technology, true real time tracking, and flexible contract terms. But if you look at the cons, you have no transparent pricing here, as you can see. There's complex reporting system and a limited temperature track. It is best for fleets that need AI-driven insights and equipment focused operations. Now, let's move forward to the next category of the fleet management softwares, which is the best value for money. In this category, first we have the Motive, which is right here. You can see the website. Um, the estimate price, I think, is around $25 per vehicle per month. There is no clear cut pricing here. The hardware has AI dashcam and ELD devices, and the contract has flexible terms as well. If you look at the key features, you have the AI Omnicam with driver coaching, you have ELD compliances, you have fleet management and maintenance systems, you have driver reward program as well. So that's a unique feature in it. If you look at the pros, it has a strong AI safety feature, driver friendly interface, and flexible contracts. And if you look at the cons, you have limited pricing transparency, complex setup for advanced features, and less suitable for non trucking fleets. It is best for trucking and logistic companies and fleets that prioritize driver safety. The next platform is the Azuga, and in this platform, you have the starting estimate price of around $25 per vehicle per month. The hardware include tracking device with lifetime warranties, and the contract has a 36 months minimum time. If you look at the key features, you have the driver rewards and gamification, you have real-time GPS tracking, safety dash cam with AI, and the route optimization. If you talk about the pros of this platform, it has high user satisfaction, easy installation, and strong driver motivation feature. And if you look at the cons, it has a slower refresh rate, around 2 minutes. It has a hardware reliability issue and a long-term contracts. This platform is best for service industries and fleets that focus on driver engagement. The next platform is the GPS Insight, and it has a custom codes, so there is no definite pricing here. You have a tracking device and smart cameras in the hardware and a flexible terms in contract. The key features are real-time GPS tracking, smart cameras with AI features, field service management, and assets tracking. The pros of this platform is the user-friendly interface, balanced feature and pricing, and responsive support. And if you look at the cons of this platform, it has a rather low rating from the analytics, and it has limited advanced features and custom pricing. This platform is good for mid-market fleets and business that need balanced solution. The next platform is Fleetio, and it has a pricing plan of $4 annually and $5 monthly. The hardware has a partnership with platforms like Samsara, Verizon, and GeoTab, and the contract has flexible terms. If you look at the key features of this platform, it has vehicle lifecycle management, preventive maintenance, fuel management, and integration with major telematics. If you look at the pros of this platform, it has excellent user interface, strong maintenance focus, and flexible pricing. But if you look at the cons, the biggest con of this platform is that there is no native GPS tracking. It has a limited route optimization and has additional cost for full features. It is best for a fleet focused on lifecycle management and business with existing telematics. Now let's look at some specialized solution in the fleet management software. So first off, we have the Omnitracs, and the Omnitracs has a custom pricing based on the fleet size. The hardware is professional grade devices and the contract is 1 year minimum. If you look at the key features, it has intelligent route optimization, ELD compliance, load planning, and IFTA compliance. If you talk about the pros of the Omnitracs, you have good trucking expertise, you have flexible 1 year contracts, and a strong compliance tools. And if you look at the cons of this platform, you have a complex setup, trucking focused platform only. If you have small vehicles, this is not a platform for you, and it has custom pricing. This is good for long haul trucking operations and compliance focused fleets. The next platform is the Onfleet. It has a competitive per delivery model pricing plan. It has software and tablets hardware and a flexible terms for the contract. The key feature of this platform is that it has advanced route optimization, real time customer notification, proof of delivery, and e commerce integration. If you look at the pros, it has an excellent customer communication, mobile first design, and flexible pricing. But if you look at the cons, it has limited fleet management features, no web based dashboard, and it only have delivery focused setup. It is good for last mile delivery operations and e-commerce businesses. The next platform is the Route for Me. The monthly plan starts from $75 and has a business plan of 110 monthly. But if you get annual plan, you have 20% off. So you have $60 and $90. In terms of hardware, it works with the existing devices and has a monthly subscription as well as annual subscription for contract. It also has the plan for commercial vehicles. So you can get the plans for that as well. If you look at the key features, it has advanced route optimization, multi stop route planning, real time GPS tracking, and fuel cost optimization. The pros of this platform is that you will save a lot on fuel, so you can save around 35%. This is the report from people. So you can save up to 35% in fuel. You have strong customer support and it handles complex routing. If you look at the cons, it has limited fleet management features, it has high cost per user, and has basic maintenance tools. This platform is good for fleets that need complex routing and delivery focused businesses. The next platform is the Optimo Route. First off, you have the light plan, which is around $35 per driver per month, and the pro plan is around $44 per driver per month. The hardware is smartphone and tablets, it works with them, and has a contract of annual billing with 30 days trial. It also has the monthly subscription if you want it. The key feature of this platform is that it has sophisticated route optimization, it has field service scheduling, it has real time driver tracking, and customer notification. The pros of this platform is that it has 25% fuel saving reported. It has a 30-day free trial and it is highly customizable. But the cons is that it has high pricing plan, it has limited fleet management features, and higher cost per driver. This is good for field service operations and fleets that need route efficiency. So these were some of the best fleet management softwares online of 2025. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.